When a new client reached out, he told us he had a gaming beast just sitting in storage for months, untouched, unloved, and collecting who knows what. He wasn't about to risk turning it on without a full health check, so he brought it to us. Of course, we were up for the challenge. We rolled up our sleeves and dove into what turned out to be a full-blown rescue mission. Disassembling the PC almost entirely, we uncovered the horrors. Between the fans and the heatsink, it looked like the aftermath of a dust storm meeting a spider's bachelor pack. Yes, we found webs, dust cakes, and a level of grime worthy of a sci-fi thriller. This wasn't a quick fix, folks. The cleanup operation spanned 2 days and took nearly 6 hours, but every minute was worth it. After all, regular maintenance, cleaning those fans, reapplying fresh thermal paste, and ensuring optimal airflow is the secret to keeping your gaming rig running cool and smooth. If you're a PC gamer, take note, you should show your setup some love at least once or twice a year. Want to see the whole transformation? Check out the full video for some oddly satisfying cleaning action. If you enjoy it, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech makeovers and epic PC content. Who knows, your setup could be next.